My dear lovely student, class 9, subject math, chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Today our topic is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane. So we can say any name. Okay student. Now what is Cartesian plane? So according the figure, now I am going to explain here what is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane. So in the following figure, means down one, a Cartesian plane consisting of two mutual perpendicular number lines x o x dash. So here is x o x dash and y o y dash intersecting each other at point O. Both lines are in the same plane called the Cartesian plane. So this area is called Cartesian plane because x o x dash and y o y dash are lie on the same plane. So in this way we can say that this is the Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane. Okay student. So you have to find out like this by the another examples, and you can take the point marks on the graph paper also. Now point to remember. So point to remember here student. Now the first point is the horizontal number line x o x dash is called the x-axis. I already discussed regarding the horizontal line. Okay. Suppose I am putting this pen like this. This is called horizontal line. So x o x dash is called the x-axis. Now second point is the vertical number of line y o y dash is called the y-axis. Suppose now I am putting this pen like this. This is called vertical. So this is called y-axis. Now the point of an intersection O is called the origin. What is origin? Suppose anybody asks to you, how will you give the answer? So this is the definition, which zeros for both the axes. So you have to give the answer of the what is origin like this. Okay. Now let's see fourth point. So the system consisting of the x-axis, the y-axis and the origin is called the Cartesian coordinate system. So Cartesian system or Cartesian coordinate systems are this. So I told you I will discuss later. So this is the Cartesian coordinate system in the topic is given. So keep it in mind. So collections or combinations of x-axis, y-axis and the origin is called the Cartesian coordinate system. Now point number 5, the x-axis and the y-axis together are called the coordinate axis. This is also most important point for you. So what is axis or coordinate axis? So combinations of x and y axis together are called the, we can say also the axis or coordinate axis. Now point number 6, two number lines mutually perpendicular to each other are called here axis. So here I already told you what is axis because this is very useful for solving the question. So these 6 points you have to keep it in mind student for solving the question, because in the math basic knowledge and should be clear, fundamental knowledge should be clear. So with the help of this point you will be solve the question. Thanks for watching my videos.